Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, dear students. Our today's topic is from unit number 2, transport of nutrients, that is about circulatory system. Dear students, in unit number 2, transport of nutrients, in this unit we will study about the transport system in humans, structure and function of the heart and blood vessels, working of the circulatory system, and also some disorder in the human transport system. We will also study about the artificial tissues, organs and their transplantation, absorption of water in plants through roots, and also the structure of root, stem and leaves of plants. As we know that food and oxygen are the basic needs of every cell in the human body. Food and oxygen and other useful material must be reached to each cell and all other parts of the body to carry out their function, means to perform their vital function, their daily functions. For this purpose, Allah has initiated transport system in both plants and animals. Circulatory system. Circulatory system is also called as cardiovascular or vascular system. The circulatory system is the transportation system, is the transferring system in humans. The circulatory system serves or performs the following purposes. First one is it carries oxygen and nutrients to the cells. It also removes carbon dioxide out of the body. It takes away the waste products from the cell to the kidneys for disposal, means for removal. Circulatory system also transports hormones. Hormones are products of living cells that circulate in body fluids such as blood. This hormone produces a specific effect on the activities of cells. So circulatory system transports hormone and other chemicals from cell to different part of the body. The circulatory system, like other systems of the body, is made of different organs which perform their specific functions. It means that each organ is responsible for its particular functions, for its specialized functions. Components of circulatory system. The major components that make up the circulatory system in humans are the heart, blood and blood vessels. Collectively, they form the circulatory system. The major component of circulatory system is heart. Heart is the major organ in the circulatory system, and its job is to pump or circulate blood at regular intervals, mean at specific time, causing it to move throughout the body. The pumping of the heart produces the heartbeat. Dear students, the heart of an adult person beats around 72 times in a minute. 72x in a minute. X mean times. The heartbeat can be produced by placing fingers at the wrist or neck. Wrist mean kalai. So the throbbing mean dhadakna. So the throbbing you feel is called the pulse. Now structure of heart. The heart is a cone-shaped, hollow, mean cochlear, muscular organ about the size of a fist, which is made of special muscles called cardiac muscles. The scientific name of heart is cardiac. So the muscle which is specialized for heart is called cardiac muscles. Dear students, look at the picture and see different parts of the heart. Heart consists of 4 chambers, 2 on each sides, on the left side and on the right side. The upper 2 chambers are called arteria. Arteria is a plural word and its singular is atrium. That is left atrium and right atrium. The lower two chambers are called ventricles. That is left ventricle and right ventricles. Arteria are smaller in size than ventricles. Now the job of the right side of the heart and the left side of the heart is the right side of the heart delivers the blood to the lungs, where the left side of the heart supplies the blood to the different parts of the body, and by this way both of them perform its function. Let's learn about the septum and walls that is present in heart. Dear student, right-sided chambers are separated from left-sided chambers through a thin wall. That wall is known as septum, and that wall is for the purpose to avoid the mixing of blood. Now walls. Walls connect the arteria with the ventricles and prevent means to avoid the backward flow of blood during pumping, during circulation. The wall between the right atrium and the right ventricle is called tricapsid wall. Tricapsid is a wall which is present between the right atrium and the right ventricle. Now we have bicapsid wall. Bicapsid wall is a wall that connects the left atrium and left ventricle is called bicapsid wall. Loved-up sounds. Our heart produces a loved-up sound if we hear it carefully by using a stethoscope. Stethoscope is a medical instrument for listening a sound which is generated inside the body. One is lub and second one is dub. The lub sound is produced when both the upper arteria empty the blood into their respective ventricles and their walls shut immediately means and their walls close up to prevent the backward flow of the water. While the dub sound is produced when the flaps of the blood vessels, when the strip of the blood vessels close after receiving blood from their respective ventricles. The blood enters and leaves the heart through blood vessels. That will be discussed in our coming lecture. The heart works in two ways. Its working of heart, it works in two ways. One is it collects blood from different parts of the body and pumps it to the lungs. Second one is heart collects blood from the lungs and pumps it to all parts of the body. So it was all about the circulatory system and one of its major component, that is heart. Dear students, it's your today's assignment. Work it out on page number 28. Label different parts of the heart and write their functions. Stay safe, stay blessed, my dears. Best of luck. Take care and Khuda Hafiz.